Accordingly, I hereby sentence Mariam Sanda to death by hanging until she dies. This I have done, believing that
but you know she can't compose herself when you go there. I don't know why you it's obvious that once she sees this one, she won't get grasp of it. There's no emotion yet, the man will just face it.
Fuck off! You can't shut up!